Hello, and welcome to UFLYUAS Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to hack your drone's LED lights. With this simple modification, you'll learn how to turn off the LED lights on your drone for more discreet operations. Please note, you'll need to download and install DroneHacks version 2 from dronehacks.com. The link is available in the video description. This tool is free and accessible to everyone. Once installed, launch DroneHacks version 2 on your computer and log in if you haven't already. On the welcome interface, click the drone icon. At this point, the software is waiting for the drone to be connected. Let's go ahead and connect the drone now. Connect the USB-C cable to your drone and power on your drone. Then connect the USB-A cable to your laptop and wait for your connection status to say healthy. Next, click on the left menu where it says Parameter Editor. This process will read all your drone parameters and give you the option to modify anything on your drone. Please note that DroneHacks is not liable for any resulting damage to your drone. Disclaimer: this tutorial is intended for educational purposes only. Always ensure you are operating your drone in compliance with local laws and regulations. To disable your drone LEDs, in the parameter search box type ARM or forearm. Forearm LED option should now be available. Then select Edit Parameter. In this window, just change the current value to 0 and hit Save. Next, click Save to Drone and watch the LEDs turn off. You will get a notification that parameters saved successfully to the drone. You have now successfully hacked your drone LEDs. You can now close DroneHacks and disconnect your drone. Next time you power on your drone, your LEDs will be off. If you found value in this tutorial, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel to help support its growth. Thank you, and see you on the next one.